Once he was a lover. Once he was a king. Once I was his queen. He once was always smiling, cracking jokes. He made sure by all means that I was over the moon. Once I was beautiful with no scars. Once I had so much confidence. Not the scar face who lacks confidence. Once he was a lover. We both could tell we were destined to be one. So we had dreams and fantasies of our future. He promised me all that I'm left without: marriage, home, children, and the Queen's life. He once was a lover, I'm telling you. He was never the monster you just rescued me from, I swear.
Khayona Inkosi bekezela.